Hello everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we are solve a interesting German maths Olympiad question, which is 2 to the power x plus 1 plus 2 to the power 3 minus x is equal to 17. X is equal to what? How to solve this interesting exponential maths problem. So first of all, our math solution, I use index law. We know that a to the power n plus m, which is a to the power n times a to the power m, and we know that others formula a to the power minus n, which is 1 over a to the power n. I apply both formula here, so this expression, if I apply this math formula here, so it will be 2 to the power x times 2 to the power 1, then this is 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power minus x is equal to 17. I apply this math formula here, so this expression, it will be 2 to the power x times 2 plus 2 to the power 3, which is 8, times, but 2 to the power negative x, if I apply this math formula, it will be 1 over 2 to the power x is equal to 17. Then this is 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x, then plus 8 times 1, this is 8 over 2 to the power x is equal to 17. Now this is 2 to the power x, this is 2 to the power x. So at this moment, let 2 to the power x is equal to u. Now I substitute this value here. If I substitute this value here, so this expression, it will be 2u plus 8 over u is equal to 17. Now this is u, this is u, so I take here its least common value is u. So this divide this, here is 1 divide u times 2u, it will be 2u square, and this u divide this u, it will be 1 times 8, this is 8 is equal to 17. Now I multiply both sides by u, so it will be 2u square plus 8, then here 17u. Now we are find out a nice quadratic equation, which is 2u square minus 17u. I just move on this 17 in this side, it will be negative 17 plus 8 is equal to 0. Now at this moment, I do here is middle factor, because of that it is a nice quadratic equation. So this is 17, but this is 8 times 2, this is 16. So this is 2u square minus 16u minus u plus 8 is equal to 0. Now here is 2u is common, so if I take 2u is common, this divide this, this is u minus this divide this, this is 8 minus 1 is common, this is a u minus 8 plus minus this is minus is equal to 0. Now this is u minus 8, this is u minus 8. So at this moment you can say here easily u minus 8 is common, then this divide this, this is 2u, this divide this, this is minus 1 is equal to 0. Then here u minus 8 is equal to 0, then 2u minus 1 is equal to 0. Then u is equal to 8, and you can see easily here u is equal to, if I move on this negative 1 in this side, it will be positive 1. Then if I divide both sides by 2, we will find out 1 over 2. So at this moment, remember that we are substitute here is u is equal to 2 to the power x. So I take this value here, because of that our target x is equal to what? So u is equal to 2 to the power x, but this 8, it will be 2 to the power 3. Now according to exponential formula, this is 2, base is same, so exponent is equal, so x is equal to 3. But this is 2 to the power x, but this is 1 over 2, this is 2 to the power minus 1. Now at this moment you can say here x is equal to minus 1. So we will find out x is equal to 3, x is equal to negative 1. This is our final answer in this tricky exponential maths problem. Let's verify. We'll find out x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 1. but our question, it will be 2 to the power x plus 1 plus 2 to the power 3 minus x is equal to 17. Then I take x is equal to 3. So if I take x is equal to 3, so 2 to the power 3 plus 1 plus 2 to the power 3 minus 1, sorry, x is equal to 3, then is equal to 17. Now at this moment, this is 2 to the power 4 and this is 2 to the power 0 is equal to 2 to the power 4, this is 16, and 2 to the power 0, this is 1. 16 plus 1, this is 17. So left hand side and right hand side both side is equal. Now if I take negative 1, okay, now at this moment I take here is negative 1. Let's verify. This is 2 to the power minus 1 plus 1. Because of that, x is equal to negative 1. I take this one here plus 2 to the power 3 minus x, but x is equal to minus 1, so I take minus 1 here is equal to 17. So at this moment, our left hand side, which is 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power minus, this is plus, I can say this is 3 plus 1, this is 4 and is equal to 17. Now this is 16 plus 1, because of that a to the power 0 will be 1 plus 16, this is 17 is equal to 17. So left hand side and right hand side both side is equal. So our answer is x is equal to 3, x is equal to minus 1. If you enjoy this math problem, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. Take care everyone.